A new education package dubbed the Education Plus Initiative has been launched, with the Education Ministry seeking to integrate the policy into its curriculum by deliberately targeting marginalized children. Deputy Education Minister Dr. Clement Park shared his thoughts with JoyNews.
For us at the Education Ministry, we have a unit that has the responsibility of addressing and bringing to the fore health-related matters pertaining to HIV/AIDS. If we are to customize anything specific beyond what we are doing, it should be targeted at the special needs schools so that we can reach the vulnerable and the marginalized. So we have the schools for the deaf, the schools for the blind, and other special needs schools.
The Director General of the Ghana AIDS Commission, Dr. Kamasel Prosper Akabong, reiterated the urgency of embedding this policy into Ghana's curriculum to help curb the rising number of new HIV infections.
This Education Plus initiative is looking at how we can coordinate all those strategies that are scattered everywhere and all those laws and policies that are sitting somewhere that do not harness properly to effectively deal with the issue of adolescent education empowerment, especially with the area of HIV/AIDS and other early teenage pregnancies and other laws that prevent them from moving forward with their education. That is the way, the basis of the Education Plus, that we take all these mechanisms, country-led, country-directed, and make it a policy that we can protect these young adolescents.
UNAIDS Country Director Hector Cecilia Perez highlighted the groups most vulnerable to HIV in Ghana, a concern he says demands immediate national attention.
In Ghana, we have approximately 8,000 new infections per year in adolescent girls and young women. So most of these infections are, in the age between 15 to 24. And we need to secure that adolescent girls and young women remain prevented of HIV. And the evidence is suggesting that the more education women have, the less HIV infections. It's clear evidence that when the women achieve at least the secondary level of school, at least, so the HIV infections drop 50%.
The Education Plus initiative is a joint effort by UNAIDS, UNESCO, UNFPA, UNICEF, and UN Women, aimed at accelerating investments that prevent HIV and promote gender equality. Mama Visefa Kote's report for JoyNews.